Class 22 and 23. Relay operations. Control of a lamp using relay. See, a relay is like this. This is a relay, which is actually as shown in the right figure. It has a coil wound on a core, means an electromagnet. The coil terminals are shown in the schematic as left two terminals. These two means these two. Then here we have common NC and NO. NC means normally closed, NO means normally open. So common means this one, NO means this one. See, co- common contact, this is common terminal, this is common contact. This is common terminal, sorry, common contact. What is inside is contact, what is outside is terminal. Okay, so common contact, common terminal, NC contact and NC terminal, NO contact and NO terminal. Coil is inside and coil terminals. The common contact has an armature attached to it, which is not shown in the schematic, which is attracted by the coil when a current is passed through the coil. When the required amount of current is passed through the coil, we say the relay is energized and relay is actuated, means its contacts are actuated. The coil is energized. When the coil is energized, relay contacts are actuated. Changeover happens, means initially due to the spring tension, the common was touching the upper contact, that is NC contact. When the relay is energized, the armature is attracted and it moves downside towards the relay coil, relay core, and contact between common and NO happens. Normally open, normally closed means, normally means when there is no current flowing in the coil, or current flowing is lesser than its threshold value, means the minimum value required for actuation. Normally means when the relay is in de-energized state. When the relay is in de-energized state, means no current is flowing in the relay coil, spring actuation will be there, that will be holding the armature to upper side. So there will be contact between the upper and common. Hence, such a contact, the upper contact is called as closed contact. because there is touching, there is contact. Hence, it is called as normally closed contact. The other one is called as normally open contact. In some relays, there will be no normally closed contact. There will be only NO contact. Depends. In some relays, you have more set of NO and NC contacts. More on this, you will see in the laboratory, or if you do Google search, you can learn more. Right. Now come to the circuit. See here, this relay is 12-volt relay. If you are given 6-volt relay, you have to apply 6-volt power supply. If it is 9-volt relay, you have to apply 9-volt power supply. That voltage depends upon the relay coil and the core. Okay. Now, this the black dark part is nothing but support. Okay. The hinge here, the armature rotates when the relay is actuated or deactivated. Right. So here what happens is, when you give only 12 volts, okay, here high current can flow in common NC and NO. Higher current can flow here. Just by around zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.2 amperes current flowing in the relay, it will actuate the armature. This armature is a little bit heavy, means it can conduct more current. So what happens is, the operator is here, the load operator is here, means on the left side. Supply and load are here, common NO and C, means on the right side. So operator is free from the supply and load. There is isolation. Even if you touch here, you are having only 6 volt or 12 volt. Here you have 230 volts. You are not touching high voltage and high current circuit. So you can control a high voltage and high current circuit from a low voltage circuit. From a low voltage, low current circuit. That is the advantage. For a large motor, if you are physically operating switch, it is heavy. In your own home, you may be knowing, to operate the main switch, it is difficult. But instead of main switch, if there is a relay, you can operate it easily. See, here a switch is given at the input circuit. Input means relay circuit, sorry, relay coil circuit. This is called as input circuit. Left is input circuit, right is output circuit. Left is control circuit, right means this one and this one also. Right is load circuit, control circuit, power circuit, control circuit, load circuit. So we have kept here switches at both the circuits for our easy operation, in our more for our better understanding. Actually, there will be no switch in here usually, because this, instead of this switch, the relay contact common terminal itself is acting as switch, but we are keeping an additional switch here. Now what happens is, when the switch is open, relay coil is not energized, so common will be towards NC, bulb will not get supply. See, you are closing switch S1 and then S2 in our experiment. So current will not flow. Okay. When you close the switch S2, S1 is already closed. When you close switch S2, relay current will flow. The armature will be attracted. It will touch NO contact. So NO is here. NO terminal. NO contact is this. Common terminal, common contact. This will come down. And this comes down. Current can flow from phase to neutral like this. And bulb will glow. Now, both the circuits are same. Here I have shown phase neutral, that's all. Here AC supply symbol is shown. You can write this figure or this figure. Bulb you can put 60-watt bulb, 100-watt bulb, whatever it is. A diode is kept here for safety purpose of the in here it is not required actually, but sometimes suppose say you have some transistor everything, some transistor or some electronic devices which are small size. If you have something in the series of this path, when you switch off the relay, induced voltage will come, and that to protect that transistor from high induced voltages, we put a freewheeling diode DFW, so that induced voltage is not created and a loop is given here. Okay, no need to write that. You can ignore. Diode is not necessary. Diode is not related for the relay operation here. It is only for protection during switching on and switching off of the relay, switching on and switching off of the S2. Suppose say it is like an umbrella. You are going for work, but if there is umbrella, you can do your work comfortably. Otherwise, you cannot do work. Difficult like that. So you have here a table. When S1 is open, then only S2 S2 is relevant. When S1 is S1 is open, not S1 is closed, then only you have S2 operative. Otherwise, operation of S2 will not have any result on the lamp because S1 itself is open. So if you close S1, then other things are other things means operation of relay is valid. 1 second. The battery is low, so I have to charge. Right. Now for the next experiment, control of two lamps using a single relay. Okay, here we have done a little bit modification in the circuit. We have connected two lamps L1 and L2, one in NC circuit, another in NO circuit. Okay, now here there is a small problem here. This terminal should come, one second, it should come here. I'll correct it. It gets phase here, neutral should come here. See, when there is no relay energy, when relay is not energized, lamp 1 will glow due to the NC contact. This will be here. This will be here. Okay. See here. Here there is contact. I will draw the figure properly and then give you the manual. See, when there is, assume that S1 is closed. Assume that S1 is already there. Okay. Now what happens is, even without actuation of relay, that is without S2 also, without closing S2, lamp 1 will glow, because when S1 is closed, S1 is already closed, because okay, as soon as you close S1, current will flow like this from phase to the COM to NC, because NC and COM are closed, through lamp, like this, like this, like this, to the neutral. Hence, lamp 1 will glow. Lamp 2 will be off because it has no connection between NC, between its NO contact and common. Now, when we switch on S2, so when S2 is open, L1 will be on, L2 will be off. When you close S2, the control switch, S2 is called as control switch, S1 is called as supply switch. You are giving supply here. You are applying control, means switch. Relay is like a switch here. Now you press the S2, relay is energized. Don't bother about diode here. It is only used for protection in case of inductive loads. Here actually it is not necessary. Anyhow, now when you close this, relay gets energized, common contact will shift to NO. So supply to L1 lamp cuts off. This will come down now, and circuit of L2 gets closed. So L2 will glow. That is what the operation is. Okay. If possible, write here closed, open, close, not close, closed. Here also. Open, closed, open, closed. Otherwise, okay, not a big thing. Okay. Thank you.